Look at any home router, dozens of devices, but your provider gave you just one public address. How does that single address serve them all at the same time? The answer is PAT, port address translation, also called NAT overload. Recall that static and dynamic NAT still need a public address per active host. With only one public address, a plain pool would empty almost immediately. PAT removes that limit by sharing one public address among every host. The trick lives in the transport layer port number. Every TCP or UDP session already carries a source port. When a host sends traffic out, the router notes its private address and port. It then assigns a unique public source port for that session. That pairing is stored as one row in the NAT table. A reply arriving on that port is matched straight back to the right host. Because ports reach into the tens of thousands, one address serves thousands of sessions. Two hosts can even use the same private port and stay separate, thanks to different public ports. The configuration is almost identical to dynamic NAT. You write an access list naming the inside hosts allowed to translate. Then IPNet inside source list 1 interface G0/1 overload. That word overload is what turns NAT into PAT. The outside interface address itself becomes the shared public address. Mark the inside and outside interfaces just as before. Verify with show IPNet translations, and you will see the ports. Each line shows an inside address and port mapped to one shared global address. This is by far the most common form of NAT in the world. That is PAT, one address doing the work of many.